What's up everybody, this is Brandon at C.A.R.S. We are installing BC coilovers on this 2011 Hyundai Genesis, so let's get started.
You don't really wanna be my lady. You don't just wanna just drive.
We're going to be taking the stock suspension out of this 2011 Genesis. To get started, we're going to remove these two bolts that hold the strut in. I already have the sway bar disconnected because I did the other side already, but that's just a 19mm bolt up at the top. These two nuts on this side are 19mm. We're going to disconnect the brake line on this side, which is a 12mm bolt, and then up top we're going to remove the three top half bolts, which are 14mm.
Drive you crazy. They just trying to get out my baby. I'm not too hot to have a lady. I'm not 20s to stay investigate. You man just to the gate, show no hesitate. The hands is the king, you try my baby. He's a boy. All night, so loud, the present coming down, but still it's hungry, you won't take but we still have to.
We made it to the back. We're going to disconnect the sway bar, which is 17. We're going to disconnect the strut, which is a 19. We're going to take off this 19 here to bring down the spring perch or the spring bucket so that we can get some leverage in there to pull this spring out. And then up at the top here on the strut, we have two 14mm bolts that we're going to take out.
It don't fit my mind, now you're going to